I want to show you guys globe thistle. This is what the leaf looks like. Very prickly. I harvested this for the leaves. I've already taken all the leaves off. But look at the flower that it produces. Can you see that? It's all tiny individual little lavender colored flowers all over this round globe. And the smell from them is so beautiful. And inside, if you grab it hard like that, it's prickly. It's like one big globe of prickles, and the flowers come out from the prickles. It's so beautiful. I'll zoom in again on it. The aroma from these flowers is like nothing I've ever smelled before, actually. It's beautiful. It's just, I look forward to getting these every year for the leaves to use for medicine, the leaves, but mostly for this flower, just to bring some bouquets into the house. Look at them. Because it makes the whole house just smell incredible. Look at that. Look how perfect that is. Creation. It's just insanely breathtaking. So this is globe thistle. They make expensive perfume with the flowers because the smell is just, it's like nothing that I can say. No other flower smells like this. It's like a powdery, fruity, spicy, oh, just a beautiful smell. Globe thistle. This is some things I harvested today. I got a lot of angelica leaf. And over here is my nettle for Caitlin. Hey Caitlin, I got you the nettle. I'm drying it now. Hey Paris. Paris is sitting out in the rain. Actually, she's under the umbrella. Look at her. Sitting there under the umbrella because it's a rainy day. She's not a cat, she's a person. Yeah. Life is good. Globe thistle.